The third, medical rehabilitation. In the medical field, customized braces designed for the patient's pathological characteristics is required for treatment because of differences between patients and the complex structure of the human body. The emerging 3D technology, due to its features of custom-made and high precision, can easily solve the contradiction between the need for customization and the scale of production. The combination of 3D scanning and 3D printing technology can better help doctors achieve personalized and precise treatment for the benefit of patients. Let's take a look at the first case study, spinal orthopedics. One of our partners, Shanghai TPM 3D, customized spinal orthopedic braces for patients through iReal 3D non-contact scanning and nylon 3D printing technology. It takes less time to produce a customized brace which is more lightweight and breathable. Also, the brace is waterproof and antibacterial, suitable for long-term wearing. Compared to plaster brace, it is more comfortable to wear this brace without compromising the orthopedic effect. The second case is 3D printing fixation aid for tumor radiotherapy. Doctors from the first affiliated hospital of Zhejiang University School of Medicine used an iReal 3D scanner to obtain the data of patients' heads or chests. They 3D printed a fixation aid that fits the body part, which can immobilize the positioning mask better during radiotherapy. Therefore, the mask will not move or slip accidentally and help the patient acquire precise treatment. The third case is helmet orthopedics for babies. In the first 18 months after birth, the baby's head is soft and easy to deform on the pressure surface. Inappropriate sleeping positions may result in a plagiocephaly, a brachycephalic or a navicular head. The doctor can safely collect the 3D data of the baby's head using the iReal 2ES LED off mode. Then, he can design a suitable helmet according to the baby's head shape, and then use the FDM 3D printing technology or nylon 3D printing technology to produce the helmet. In this way, the baby can get the treatment safely under the protection of the customized helmet. The fourth case is a 3D printed rehabilitation aid injured leg. This case is from Donghua Hospital, affiliated with Zhongshan University. The patient suffered a ruptured Achilles tendon while playing basketball. Before the treatment was finished, the doctor went to the 3D Printing and Intelligent Manufacturing Research Center at the Dongguan University of Technology to test whether 3D printing a brace could help the patient's recovery and achieve a better result. By 3D scanning with the iReal 2E to obtain the data of the injured part of the patient, and then design and nylon 3D printing to make a personalized protective brace, it solves the troubles of airtightness, itching, and heaviness of the traditional plaster, and makes the later rehabilitation process more comfortable. The fifth case is the 3D printed customized prosthetic sockets. The doctor 3D scanned the patient's a disabled body part and the entire conventional prosthesis, and then simulated and assembled the two sets of data. He analyzed the still and dynamic stress range of the injured part and the line of gravity of the lower limb through finite element method software. After the treatment plan is made, the prosthetic socket is printed with a 3D printer to provide patients with a more scientific and personalized treatment and rehabilitation plan. The sixth case is the auxiliary treatment and analysis of ear injury and disability. This case comes from one of our customers, Hunan Plastic Surgery and Beauty Hospital. They SSE iReal 2E to scan and obtain 3D data of the patient's healthy ear, flip the scanned data horizontally, and 3D print a replica of the scanned ear. During the procedure, an orthopedic surgeon will craft the rib cartilage into the shape of the ear for the implant. In addition, doctors can also calculate the volume and surface area of the ear defect through the 3D model for better diagnosis and analysis. 3D printing technology allows users to produce products with unlimited quantities and high flexibility, and it supports customization. Its combination with 3D scanning technology can meet the individualized and precise medical needs in the medical field. Next, let us look forward to more exciting 3D scanning and 3D printing technology applications in the medical industry. The fourth aspect, art and design. In art and design, 3D scanning technology can help designers obtain the prototype data for engraving. Then, through 3D printing, it can proceed to mass production or derivative production. The combination of these two technologies has a wide range of applications in this field. For example, we cooperated with Shanghai UnionTech to jointly help Lu Renjie recreate an ancient Chinese mythological world, classic of mountains and seas. Since the clay sculpture is not easy to preserve for a long time, to ensure a better exhibition effect, we use 3D scanning and 3D printing to help create 809 exquisite exhibits. We overcame the challenges posed by traditional methods and help our customer to vividly present the fantasy world of the artwork. What is more, the data obtained by the high-precision laser scanner can be used for multi-process manufacturing, such as engraving, CNC, etc., and then according to different requirements, the corresponding process can be selected to produce derivative works of different sizes, which can be strong support for the IP of the classic of mountains and seas in the form of multiple business conditions. In addition, Zhu Bingren, the National Master of Bronze Sculpture Arts and Crafts in China, also chose 3D scanning and 3D printing technology to improve the research and development efficiency of copper art design. We also participated in the 3D digitization project of the Taoyuan Museum of Art in Changde, Hunan Province. The museum's treasure is the root carving of a willow tree with a root age of more than 1,300 years. It is 15.8 meters long, 6.3 meters wide, and 3 meters high. Through 3D scanning technology to obtain an accurate 3D model, we can rescale the model, and make derivatives through 3D printing, so that the craftsmanship can be more widely spread. Designers can also obtain the original data of artworks through high-precision 3D laser scanning for innovative design, and produce derivatives so that craftsmanship can be passed on more widely. In this area, we have deep cooperation with one of the top domestic 3D design companies in China, Shanghai Zuberance. For example, during the renovation of the Shanghai Concert Hall in 2020, Zuberance completed a 3D digitization project with the help of Scantech 3D scanning technology, focusing on scanning the iconic hall entrance, corridor patterns, architectural decoration patterns, original lamps, etc., and developed a series of derivatives such as jewelry, coffee cups, and cultural and creative gift boxes. The picture shows a part of this 3D digitization project, based on the classical blue carved seat. Through 3D scanning and 3D printing technology, they developed a home away from home-like derivative gift sets for the Shanghai Concert Hall. Let's look at the 3D digitization project of the ancient buildings in Wulin. By performing fine scanning of building parts data analysis 3D printing, and coloring, Zuberance helped the development of cultural derivatives and the online digital display of ancient buildings, thereby helping the inheritance of the culture of southern Fujian province and the overseas Chinese culture. The 3D digitization of historical buildings and cultural preservation buildings has become the trend of the times. Scantech 3D scanning technology allows the scanned model to truly reflect the style of the building in a 1:1 ratio. At the same time, the texture of historical traces, such as naturally weathered surfaces, peeling paint and colors, will be relatively natural, which is difficult to achieve in the traditional photo modeling method. As one of the top 3D design companies in China, Zuberance will continue to use Scantech 3D digital technology to carry out innovative designs. Under the guidance of the design concept of everyday aesthetics, the ultimate beauty will be in full bloom in daily life. Let's move forward to the fifth aspect. Due to the complexity and uniqueness of human body structure, it usually takes 1 to 2 weeks for designers to start modeling from scratch. In this case, 3D scanning shows a huge advantage. With iReal 3D scanning, the complete data of a person can be obtained within 3 to 4 minutes. The scanned data can be used for 3D printing after post-processing. This method will fully improve the work efficiency of prototype design, allowing them to focus more on creativity and design. In the case of the 3D scene of Su Dongpa harnessing the West Lake, the staff dressed in contemporary costumes and changed various postures for rapid scanning, which greatly improved the modeling efficiency and made the character models of the miniature scene more realistic. Also, you can 3D print a unique statue of yourself via this technology. If you are interested, you can consult Shanghai Union Tech. They will provide you with one-stop portrait customization services, including 3D scanning, design, 3D printing, polishing and coloring. Inspired by this, a Tai Chi association in Shanghai has customized a batch of unique trophies for the design, so that the 3D printing customized helmet not only has a better protective function but also is more lightweight, which effectively reduces the pressure on athletes and helps them speed faster. The unparalleled and exciting sporting competition is inseparable from the innovation of various industries in the 3D digitization field, and it is also a manifestation of China's rapid development in recent years and the improvement of its comprehensive national strength. China's winter sports are developing rapidly. To have a place in it, we have to use cutting-edge technology to inject new vitality into winter sports. We will continue to innovate our 3D technology for more competitive sports in the future. Now let's talk about the seventh application, car modification. Driven by young consumers, the automotive industry is accelerating into the era of personalization, and a huge, personalized automotive aftermarket has been derived. 3D scanning can help customize your car, rear modification, exhaust pipe modification, etc. You can accurately obtain the data of a part and customize it in the way you like. 3D scanning and 3D printing can help improve and you want by redesign. With the support of data and 3D printing technology, it is possible to quickly upgrade and optimize auto parts, which is faster and more convenient. The 3D reproduction of cultural relics is the eighth application. The Cambodia Institute of Intelligent Manufacturing and Scantech 3D carried out high-precision 3D scanning of the unearthed cultural relics at the Yeqing Museum in Handan, Hebei, and archived the high-precision data to facilitate the later research and restoration of cultural relics. Through 3D printing technology, the 1:1 simulated cultural relics are copied for exhibition, which avoids irreparable damage to the authentic cultural relics during transportation and exhibition. Under the condition of ensuring the safety of the cultural relics, the general public can enjoy the exquisite cultural relics closely. Finally, it comes to our final direction, paleontological reproduction. In 2021, in Lufeng, Yunnan, Scantech participated in the whole process of digital collection and restoration of dinosaur fossils. Through high-precision tracking laser 3D scanning, the texture features and 3D data of newly unearthed dinosaur fossils were accurately obtained. Then the post-processing software was used for 3D model reconstruction, and then 3D printing to restore the dinosaur structure, and thus deducing the morphological evolution of Lufengosaurus 200 million years ago. Through 3D scanning, all the details can be truly restored, and even the tiny fossil cracks as well. At the same time, the latest high-strength photosensitive resin was used as the printing material, which was used later for scientific exhibitions. After the 3D scanning and 3D printing are completed, apart from being able to understand the appearance of the dinosaurs more directly based on the printed products, scientists can also obtain more information from the accurate data, do related research, and follow up on how the dinosaur lived, its relationship with contemporary dinosaurs and the living environment at that time, etc. Through 3D technology, the scientific research personnel found the key to the door of time and space and opened a unique science trip for us to explore the meaning of the information left by life on Earth 200 million years ago so that we can perceive the biodiversity. Scantech uses 3D digitization technology to empower 3D printing, intelligently create everything so much more. We will continue to explore more applications and cooperate with more 3D printing companies to solve the challenges that neither of us can solve separately in the 3D digitization process, provide customers with more comprehensive 3D digitization solutions, help 3D printing technology be better applied in specific applications, and bring customers from all kinds of industries to enjoy the convenience and progress brought by 3D technology.